What's your name?
Numa.
Noma. Can I guess your country name?
What was that?
Don't let your kids
Yeah,
watch
I
it.
think you are from Korea. Am I right?
Where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh. And where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
But you don't look like Indian.
I'm Indian.
Are you sure? So, what is your
Yeah,
city name? Which part of India?
West.
West Bengal?
No,
Then
Sikkim.
Sikkim. Oh, okay. So, what is your original country? I mean, where did you born?
I said it's my original. Like
Okay,
I'm
okay.
from India.
Okay, so do you speak Hindi?
Yeah, of course.
And then how many languages you can speak?
I have no idea. Not that much.
So you can speak Hindi, you can speak English, and do you speak Bengali as well?
I don't know.
No,
Bengali.
it's a bad word, you know? It's a bad word.
I know.
Yeah, do you know
I know.
Bangladesh?
Why not?
Okay,
Balavase.
so yeah, you are right.
I just
So,
know two words like Balavase. Yeah, one good, one bad. That's it.
okay, but yeah, so do you know anything about Bangladesh?
No,
No.
just I know Bangladesh. And Bangladesh capital is I think Dhaka. That's it.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, and it's a beautiful country. So if you want, then you can visit
Yeah,
my
beautiful
country. Okay?
country.
Yeah, it's a very
मम्मा
beautiful
कैसी
country.
हो आप मैं अभी ठीक हूँ
So I know
मैं अभी सो
Sikkim
के उठा हूँ मैं थोड़ा ठीक हूँ
little bit. Um, so could you please
um,
tell me why is Sikkim famous? Famous for what?
what
Sikkim is famous for what?
Sikkim you mean famous किस चीज में है सिक्किम सिक्किम is very 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 beautiful place
Yeah,
good weather and then clean environment not like Delhi Mumbai something
yeah. Okay.
air is so fresh good clean green everywhere
So
safe.
yeah, that's cool. So how is the weather nowadays over there?
I have no idea because right now I am in USA.
Oh, that is why. Oh, that is why. You know, one thing that
Yeah,
you don't look like
I don't.
Indian. I don't know why.
तो मैं क्या करूं यार
Okay,
कैसे
so
ओके
could you please tell me some Hindi language? I want to learn Hindi language.
you know better you know better than me.
No, no, I just know आप कैसे हो, आप कौन हो, मैं अच्छा हूँ, मैं ठीक हूँ.
हाँ तो
Just that's
हाँ
not
तुम्हें
enough.
मेरे से ज्यादा अच्छी से आती है
Yeah, but I want to learn more.
अब मैं अभी सीख रही हूँ
Yeah, you're gonna my teacher, okay?
I'm here to learn Urdu everything every kind of language
Okay, so
I'm learning
You know
I
one
can
thing
teach
that
you.
I can speak Spanish. So, do you want to learn Spanish? If you want, then I will teach you
No,
Spanish.
no, मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm good. I don't wanna like make my head pain.
Okay, okay.
No.
So just
Okay.
just
Nice to
just
meet you,
basic.
Mr. Paul.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
I'm leaving.
I just want to say one thing. Just wait a minute, please. That
Okay, take your time, please.
yeah. If you wanna say hello in Spanish, you can say hola. It means
Hola.
yeah, hola.
¿Cómo
It
estás?
means yeah, you know better.
Yeah.
¿Cómo estás?
Okay. Yeah.
Then you can say estoy bien. Estoy bien. It means I'm
Mm-hmm.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm learning a little bit.
So how
Okay,
long have
thank
you
you.
been over there?
12 years.
2, 3 years. Okay.
12. 1 to 12 years.
Oh, that means
Okay.
you are staying over there long time.
Yes, sir. From long time.